Hello guys, this is Shivraj here and we are going to learn about hedge fund. So let's start with the content of the hedge fund. What is hedge fund? Hedge fund meanings. The parties involved in hedge fund. NAV, NAV calculation, NAV cycle, uses of fund valuation, and the largest hedge fund firms. These are the content of hedge fund. So we are learn by one. So we can start. Hedge fund. Hedge fund is an investment fund that trades in relatively liquid assets and is able to make extensive use of more complex trading, portfolio constructions, risk management, and techniques to improve the performance, such as short selling, leverage, and the derivatives. Hedge fund means to safeguard. Hedge fund uses the fund collected from accredited investors like bank, insurance firms, high net worth individuals. Hedge fund portfolio consists of asset classes such as derivatives, equity, bonds, currencies, convertible securities. So going on next, the parties include in hedge fund. Mostly there are three parties include in the hedge fund trading. First one is a bank, then insurance firms and high net worth individuals who have a lot of money to put into the investment to earn more income, so they are most interested into invest in the hedge fund. So these are the parties included in the hedge fund. Let's start with the NAV. Net asset value is calculated at the end of the market. So it is helpful to the investors to know how much they can earn on their investments. So anyway, is calculated. The formula is the asset minus liability upon number of units in issue. So like asset, like securities, cash receivables, and the liabilities like borrowings and payables, and the units issue in means how many shares are issue for a particular investors. So it will help to the investor to calculate how much they can earn on their investment with the help of NAV. The net asset value is calculated on daily basis, weekly and monthly as well, and quarterly basis as well. So it depend on the investors and the fund manager, the objective of the investment as well. So on this basis then NAV is calculated on this frequency depend on the objective. So here we can see that there is a one example of fund A, how we can calculate the NAV per share on the basis of total NAV AUM and shares in issue. NAV cycle, the first we need to invest cash, then we will get the shares in issue, how much units we have received on the basis of that day current market price of fund. Then the fund activity started, the front office fund accounting team will calculate the NAV. Then the next step is NAV calculated on the basis of the assets and how many shares are in issue. Then the next steps comes in subscription and redemption. If suppose investor want to withdraw their sum of portion or totally redemption, so they can redeem all the amount at the end of the market. if they think they can earn profit on that particular day, they can redeem all the amount. Or in case new subscription also added in the mutual fund unit, so on daily basis there is subscription and redemption process is going on, so there is a changes in the now price as well. So this is the now cycle. First one is a cash invested, then shares issues, fund activity, now calculated, subscription and redemption.